Be ni'n mynd Hugh?
Ni'n mynd gytra. Wel na, ni'n mynd i gael bus gyntaf, wedyn Newark, wedyn gytra. Ond ni'n mynd gytra.
Be ni'n mynd,
My
boy?
name's Stefan and welcome on to my bus. We'll be travelling to Columbus first, and then we'll be going to New York. Yes, that's quite true. We'll be going to New York. Then we'll be heading off to Bristol, and I hope you have a very nice ride. Thank you. Thank you. It's in.
Are you driving this one, Mark? Can I sit up front with you?
You sure can.
Yes, I shotgun. Yes.
Calm down. Bye, Agnes.
Hey! Where are we going, pals?
Bye.
Back to sunny Wales. When it's raining.
Leaving now, yeah?
Nice to meet you.
Oh,
Thank you, Agnes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hwyl i ti.
This is Agnes. Matt, bye-bye, Matt.
You want to lift?
Sut fe'n mynd i Gymru?
You're on camera. I'm coming to Wales. It's an electronic.
Not coming today to Wales,
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ryo. Bye-bye.
Hwyl, Agnes.
Agnes Jean. Oh, that's me as well.
Oh, we need aircon here, man. I'm not joking.
We're dying.
I know. There we go.
Bye-bye.
Is this helping?
Is this helping?
Ah!
Is this helping?
Saan ni'n mynd o?
Oh, wyredd ddim tara i'r 310.
310?
Na, dwi'n gweud e.
Steph, gwyd ti ar.
Iawn, oce. I bus, dau, bus.
Oh!
O, na, gyda bawb.
Wel, ar y ffordd yma, dyma sut o'n i'n eistedd. Look, look. Gyda Lisa fyna. Ar y ffordd.
Pwy braf?
Wow.
A dyma sut o'n i'n mynd nôl fe.
Hey, ma' hwn yn fucking weird.
Mae hwn yn weird.
Philosophical.
O, mae mam fi wedi dod i'r world of texting.
Sy'n byd o texto i gael?
She didn't put L-O-V, she put L-U-V.
Oh.
Dirty.
You've still got...
I was just saying now. I had to take some stuff out.
I know, and then you put it back in.
Put it back in.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
2 rows. Thank you.
I go on the floor.
I know the camera. Ow, ow. Look, I love this. Ow, ow, ow. Ooh.
Yeah.
Last picture.
Such a crime. You should up, I wanna be loved by anyone. It's not unusual, it happens every day. No matter what you say, you'll find it happens all the time. Love would never do what you wanna do. Why can't this crazy love be more?